There's one possible upside to this pandemic, and that is that during the height of it all, nobody was on the roads. You could get on the highway, drive from one end of the city to the other, never have to lift. Now, as things are starting to get back to normal, the roads are getting more crowded. And it got me to thinking, what happens when things do really start to cook? How do people get to work? Are they going to want to get on a subway or a streetcar or a bus? I mean, we're supposed to be social distancing even now. How are you going to stay 2 meters away from somebody in a streetcar? It's not going to happen. I mean, one guy sneezes and 50 people jump out the windows. That's going to be tough. No, it's going to make traffic even worse because everybody's going to want to be in their car. Now, Lee Iacocca once said that the public transit system in North America is, in fact, the passenger car. And it's going to get even worse as time goes on. Now, maybe for once in my life, I don't actually have a solution for this. I'm just saying it's a problem we're going to have to deal with. I'm Jim Kenzie.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share us. We really appreciate it.